Our second part of the Boredom Buster for today is we're going to learn about capillary action. Whoa, big fancy word. It's basically water wanting to be with water, and they kind of attract each other and move up. So here's what I'm starting with. I have a red, yellow, see if I can move things out of the way, and now I'm creating a blue. Stir it up a little bit. So I have red, yellow, and blue. I want to see what will happen is if I put a blank cup between them. Can I get the water to go into that empty blank cup? No food coloring, no water. So this is a regular, those half sheets of paper towel. If you don't have that, just take a paper towel and cut it in half. And then I folded it in half and half again. So it's about an inch, inch and a half wide. I'm sticking one half of it in my red and one half in the blank. I want to see what's going to happen. Then I'm going to take another paper towel, go from my blank one into my yellow. What do you think will happen in that middle cup where I have yellow and red? I wonder. Then I take another blank cup and follow it by the blue cup, and I do the same thing. Yellow to blank. Blank to blue, so I have yellow and blue joining. Then I have blue to blank. And then that blank back to a red. Some experiments I'm finding have them in a circle. I found that gets a little muddied when I do that. So I'm gonna keep them in a nice straight line. Now I'm going to take my phone off the tripod here so I can get a close-up for you. So as you can see, I have a paper towel going from red to my blank one, my empty cup to my yellow. My yellow, oh look, it's already starting to crawl up my paper towel. From yellow to a blank one. My blank one into the blue, blue into the blank, and the blank into my final red. And you can see that red is starting to creep up. So this is a two-part experiment. You have to set it up like this and then check on it later in the day and even tomorrow to see what happens. Can you predict what will happen? I bet you can. Have a great afternoon, everyone.